Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Fahim. Today we have some event, some talks that we gonna have a conversation about where I live in. Okay, so here is Rap Sajani. He is from 11th grade RPLA like me. You are on the same class, or we can say it like classmate or whatever. Okay, maybe for Rapsan, you may start the first question.
Okay, let's we move to the first question. Do you currently live in a city or a rural area?
Okay. For currently, I live in Jakarta Utara. Okay. Maybe everyone know that I live in Aiden boarding school. But I think in this book is talking about. In their question is talking about where really live in, right?
Yes.
Yes. I live in Jakarta Utara. Specifically, of course, in city of Jakarta. Specifically in Penjaringan. Penjaringan Tanah Pasir. Way.
Okay, that's all.
Yep.
Okay, let's we move to the second question. What do you like most about where you live?
Okay, why the atmosphere I live?
Yes.
Maybe is about the environment and the people and of course the snacks. Yeah, one of the characteristic of Tanah Pasir, the snack is keep changing every year.
Mm.
It based on viral video. So maybe if we were like playing TikTok,
Yes.
or Instagram, there's a new viral food, and after a few days maybe there is gonna be the new store where they will sell those food.
Yeah.
So I could try all of the viral video. One of it is maybe one of I like is Kepal Milo. Yep,
Yes. It's
Kepal
Kapal Milo,
Milo.
I like
That's
too.
good, bro. And after that goes viral, lot of place in my home open Kepal Milo, so I can order anywhere.
Yes. It's very good, yeah.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, let's move to the third question. Has your hometown changed much since you were a child?
Okay. Did my hometown change much? Actually, no. Yeah, like really no. Uh, After I had spent about maybe 4 years in total, where I live in IDN, when I come back to my home, there's nothing changed except the food. Yep. So
Yes.
nothing changed there.
Nothing
There is
changed.
same way, same people, and the only different is only the snack store.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
The fourth question. Would you prefer to live in the city or the countryside in the future?
If we gonna talk about the future, I've planned for move to Japan and live in countryside. Why have to Japan? Cause it's very cozy and relaxing.
Yeah.
Like if I still stayed on the city, such like now Jakarta, I will feel very burning there. Like just imagine you're old and you need a relaxing place, right? So
Yes.
you doesn't stress or anything because that I plan for go to a countryside, I think.
Okay. That's for the part one, and we move to the part two. The
Alright.
first question in the part two is where it is and what it is like.
Like I said before, it located in Jakarta North Jakarta, specifically in Tanah Pasir. It near with Ancol and Bundaran HI. I don't know how to call it in English. Yep. And specifically again in road of Tanah Pasir inside of, how do you say it, gang? Yeah, you can say it gang. It's like a small place where you can only enter alone or maybe for about 2 until 3 people using a motorcycle.
Hmm.
Yeah, and the car cannot enter because too small.
Yeah.
Alright, so I live in that place.
Yeah, me too. Okay, the second question in the part two is what you can do there.
What we can do there? Maybe you can do a lot of things. Like um, even is like because it's in a city, so you can go to anywhere. You can do anywhere because a lot of facility is very near with that location. I mean, like, if you wanna do like jogging, you can go to Jokowi Park. Yeah, that is
Yeah,
called
Jokowi
Jokowi
Park.
Park. Then also there is a lot of sports station there and lot of things you can trying. Lot of viral food. You can go to mall. There are two mall near is Fleet Village and Emporium Mall. You can go to cinema. There are two, XS1 and Cinepolis near with that location.
Okay. The third question. What people are like in that place?
What people are like in that place? So the people are great. Mostly is Chinese. Yep, I got some of my friend and he's Chinese.
Yeah,
And
Chinese.
Chinese.
The
Yeah.
Jazen.
Not me. Okay. So yeah. So I have a lot of good friend there. They are very good.
Oh. Okay, for the last question, explain what make it special or memorable to you.
That make it special and very memorable is because the location is next to my grandma house. Yeah. So basically, if another people about to go to their grandma house, they are to spend to countryside, right? And but not for me because basically my grandma house is just next to my house. I just can go downstairs. I mean, then just move into my to the next house, or we can say neighbor. Basically, that's my grandma, and that's why it's very special and very memorable.
Okay, let's we close our
Program in this afternoon
afternoon.
with Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Rapsan.